તાજા સમાચાર તમારી ભાષામાં મેળવવા માટે ડાઉનલોડ કરો ગુજરાતી મિડ ડેની એપ।
अगर एक चीज कर रहा हूँ और जैसे मैंने डांस किया बहुत स्टेज किया अलग, तो मेरे लिए बड़ा मोनोटोनस कुछ चीज हो जाती है जब तो मैं हट जाता हूँ उस चीज से, मेरी आदत है।
There is certain point in the film जहाँ वो 2000 लोग in the theater started screaming the name of the film back to the screen. They started screaming, "Kill!" Imagine 2000 people, you know.
देखिए, I do not support or condone any form of violence, verbal or physical. When I even auditioned Alia, it was literally when we auditioned her in 2011 when we were casting the Student of the Year. Again, I met her. It was a meeting. In 2 minutes, I knew I'm going to cast her Student of the Year.
Ever since this debate has started of nepotism, और उसमें आपको एक lead role दिया गया है, and you know you're just the one who's killing it right now, as you know the movie states. Many a times, such a humongous contribution you don't see when a new face is launched. What are your thoughts on that? And being launched as a newcomer.
So to begin with, as you said that outsider, I think probably on a piece of paper you can write I'm an outsider, but I never felt like an outsider in this company. As you, I'm sure you are aware of the first film that didn't work out for me, and after that also I never felt that this company or this team has ever let go of the support they showed to me from the very beginning. And I see the amount of time and the efforts everybody has put in me, and it puts me in a little bit of position of pressure, but I mean I can do, I'm trying my best, utterly grateful for what they've done for me, and I don't feel like an outsider, to be honest. I've always felt that they've got my back and they're always there, and when Kill also happened, like it just happened. I just got the script and they were like, you read this script, and when I read the script, and of course Nikhil also quite liked me for the part, and it all panned out pretty well for me. And when I think Apurva sir came for the first time to see what we were shooting, and when he saw some rushes, and he just came to me and he said, "Bless you, Sam." He said, "Bless you," and that's what he said. And I think we were halfway through the film when Karan sir came and watched the film, and I think Nikhil sir and we were standing outside the set, just like two kids waiting for the teacher to come out and tell us how we have done in the exams. Cut to, I look at him and he's like, "Wow, what is this?" And Nikhil sir and we just hugged each other and we're like, "Okay, we are home now. We have done something good." So yeah, that's about it.
मेरा सवाल ये है कि अब बहुत रियलिस्टिक सेटिंग में बहुत रियलिस्टिक एक्शन लग रहा है इस फिल्म का, जैसे कि हम तमाम फिल्मों में देखते हैं, लेकिन इंडिया में और साउथ की फिल्मों में खासकर जो एक्शन होता है, दे आर ओवरडूइंग इट, लाइक जिस तरह की एक्शन सीक्वेंसेस स्पेक्टेकल वो क्रिएट क्या आपको लगता है कि रियलिस्टिक एक्शन को ज्यादा इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए रियलिस्टिक सेटिंग में, और क्या साउथ की फिल्मों में जिस तरह का एक्शन होता है ओवर द टॉप, उसकी वजह से बॉलीवुड फिल्में और हिंदी फिल्मों पे उतना प्रेशर है कि वो भी कुछ इस तरह का क्रिएट करें जिस तरह से वो क्रिएट कर रहे हैं?
देखिए, आपके सवाल के लिए शुक्रिया, लेकिन मैं ये कहना चाहूंगा कि मैं किसी और की फिल्म का जिक्र ना करते हुए ये कहना चाहूंगा कि ये जो हमें टिपिकली एक जॉनर होता है जो बुलाते हैं जॉनर फिल्म होते हैं, जो बहुत सारी ये फिल्में वेस्ट में बने हैं, कोरिया से बने हैं, चाइना से बने हैं, जैसे है ट्रेन टू बुसान है, या आपने देखा जॉन विक की जो सीरीज रही है, वो जहाँ एक्शन जो है वो भी एक आर्ट फॉर्म है। तो जब हम कहते हैं कि ये बहुत बड़ी है, बहुत वायलेंट है, तो हम ये नहीं कह रहे कि हम वायलेंस या खून खराबा को हम बढ़ावा दे रहे हैं, पर आपको दिखाना चाहते हैं कि जिस तरह वायलेंस दर्शाया गया है इस फिल्म में, इट इज नथिंग शॉर्ट ऑफ अ फॉर्म ऑफ आर्ट। जिस तरह वो कोरियोग्राफी है एक्शन की, एकदम क्लॉस्ट्रोफोबिक स्पेस में, एक नैरो से ट्रेन में आपने जो कोरियोग्राफी वहां दर्शाई है, जिस तरह आपने एक्शन को कोरियोग्राफ किया है बिटवीन निखिल्स एक्सपर्टीज राइटिंग एंड मिस्टर ओज एक्सपर्टीज इन एक्शन, तो इट्स एन आर्ट फॉर्म। तो हमने कभी नहीं सोचा कि हम रियलिस्टिकली कर रहे हैं या ओवर द टॉप कर रहे हैं या किसी और को हम एम्यूलेट कर रहे हैं, कॉपी कर रहे हैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं था। हम पहली बार हिंदुस्तान को ये दिखाना चाहते थे कि इस किस्म की जो कोरियोग्राफ आर्टिस्टिक एक्शन और वायलेंस है वो हम दिखा सकते हैं, और हम एज एन आर्ट फॉर्म आपको दिखा सकते हैं। तो यही हमारी तरफ से, यही प्रयास था हमारी तरफ से, और यही कोशिश थी कि हम कुछ ऐसा करें जो अलग और बहुत सारी एक्शन फिल्में बनी हैं, बहुत सारा बजट वाला भी खर्चे वाली फिल्में बनती हैं, लेकिन जहाँ वाकई सोच विचार बिना कोई वीएफएक्स की आप काम करें, जब वाकई बहुत सारा सोच जाता है उस कोरियोग्राफी में, इसी का हमने यही कोशिश की थी, और यही हमारी यही चाहत है कि जब ऑडियंसेस देखेगी तो दे विल अप्रिशिएट द वर्क दैट गोज इनटू दिस कोरियोग्राफी और एक्शन।
इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, कुछ महीने या कुछ हफ्ते पहले आपने भी सोशल मीडिया पे डाला था कि आप एक एक्शन फिल्म डायरेक्ट करने वाले हैं, कुछ बताना चाहेंगे उसके बारे में?
जी नहीं।
मेरा क्वेश्चन आपसे ये है कि सब आप हंसाते हैं, यू हैव दिस, इट्स वेरी इनहेरेंट टू यू, इट्स वेरी नेचुरल टू यू, लेकिन जब आप इस तरह की चीजें करते हैं और उसको इतने रिव्यूज मिलते हैं, अंदर से ये फील होता है कि नहीं भाई, अब मैं हंसा सकता हूँ, मैं डरा भी सकता हूँ, एंड दैट्स द काइंड ऑफ लाइट यू वांट टू शो टू अदर डायरेक्टर्स, नॉट जस्ट इन टर्म्स ऑफ वर्सेटिलिटी बट टू शो कि नहीं भाई, मैं बहुत सारी चीजें कर सकता हूँ, और दैट्स द काइंड ऑफ मोमेंट यू वेट फॉर।
यस। मतलब ये है कि यार स्टीरियोटाइप में बहुत फंसते रहता हूँ मैं लाइफ में, मेरी बड़ी एक, और मैं बहुत जल्दी बोर हो जाता हूँ किसी भी चीज से। मतलब ऐसा है कि मैं अगर एक चीज कर रहा हूँ और जैसे मैंने डांस किया, बहुत स्टेज किया, अगर तो मेरे लिए बड़ा मोनोटोनस कुछ चीज हो जाती है, जब तो मैं हट जाता हूँ उस चीज से। मेरी आदत है, पता नहीं बुरी आदत है कि सही आदत है, बट उस वजह से मुझे ये है कि मैं अलग अलग चीजें, अलग अलग रिस्क ले सकता हूँ अपनी लाइफ में। मुझे अच्छा लगता है नए नए रिस्क लूं, सोशल, क्रिएटिव, फिजिकल, हर टाइप के। तो इसीलिए मैं कुछ नई नई डिस्कवरीज होती रहती है, और मैं ये कोशिश करूंगा कि अब मैं ऑब्वियसली कॉमेडी, आई विल सी मी डूइंग कॉमेडी, यस, अब मैं विलन बन रहा हूं तो भी बखूबी निभाऊं। और बिल्कुल मैं बाकी डायरेक्टर्स को भी कहना चाहूंगा, मैं सब कर सकता हूं, मैं राम बन सकता हूँ, रावण बन सकता हूँ, पत्थर बन सकता हूँ जो तैरता है, हर चीज कर सकता हूँ। आई एम रेडी फॉर लाइक एवरीथिंग। ओके, थैंक यू।
What gave you the confidence to release this as a theatrical? It's a great one to release in the theaters. One, because you all also direct on OTT also, and also to the director, if this was direct on OTT, would you put more violence and more scenes? And what was the reaction of the censor board?
I said full respect to the censor board who saw the film as a genre film. There was literally one or two very minor, which weren't even cuts, they were more visual alterations, which we don't want to reveal right now, but there was literally no cut. And I think they really respected the fact that the intent was not to glorify, was certainly not to kind of just titillate and shock, but to tell an absolutely volatile, emotional, violent story. That was violent not because of just the blood, but the inherent nature of the characters and the antagonists and where they, how they operate emotionally from, and therefore the retaliation of the protagonist. So it was really very thought through, and I think that, as I said, I walked out completely blown when we got no cut, and so glad that our country can experience this film the way the West already has.
टाइट स्लैप की बात की, तो फटक से जहन में मेरे वो जो कंगना रनौत वाला इंसिडेंट है वो याद आ गया। तो इस पर आपके क्या रिएक्शन? क्या बात है?
देखिए, I do not support or condone any form of violence, verbal or physical.
Thank you.
Yeah, lovely.
What did you see in Laksh that you were convinced that he is the guy? Because we have so many actors today. What was that one thing that you were convinced that he is the one for you?
As a filmmaker, I think it's very important for you really to hone your instinct. That's all you really have as a strong missile device, a support system. You have an instinct. There's nothing. Everything I've ever done in my career, right or wrong, any of those have always been born out of an instinct. There have been filmmakers who have walked in, and done like literally a 5-minute narration, and in 5 minutes I have known whether I will make this film or not. I've just gone on the vibe, and there have been multiple filmmakers, whether it was Ayan Mukherjee or it was Shashank Khaitan, it was Shakun Batra, it was Raj Mehta, it was Sharan Sharma, it was so many, and I'm mentioning just a few. We've introduced over 25 debut filmmakers and about 7 to 8 lead actors. It's always been on instinct. With Laksh, it was just that. When I saw his audition, it was immediately in 2 minutes I knew that we are going to do something solid and special with him. There was nothing. I had not seen anything of his on TV. I hadn't seen the show that was immensely liked that he had done. I hadn't seen anything. I literally saw that 2.5 minute audition. And on that 2.5 minute audition, I was like, we have to cast him. And that was it. So it was just an instinct. And I remember feeling that instinct when I even auditioned Alia. It was literally when we auditioned her in 2011, when we were casting for Student of the Year. Again, I met her. It was a meeting. In 2 minutes, I knew I'm going to cast her in Student of the Year. That audition was just a formality because I'd already spent time chatting with her. I hadn't met Laksh. And literally, we shot her that evening and it was the same thing. It was just from your heart, there comes an inner voice that tells you, yes, this is it. And that's exactly what happened with Laksh.
मैं भी लक्ष्य के लिए कुछ कहना चाहूँगा अभी. मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा बहुत सालों से एक्शन देखते आए हैं और हमारे बहुत फिजिकली एक्शन होता है हर जगह. कुछ टाइम से मैं फिल्म देखता हूँ इसमें सब उछल भी जाते हैं, टांग भी खोल देते हैं, सब होता है. बट कुछ इनर लाइफ ही ब्रिंग समथिंग पर्सनल जो आंखों में आता है. इसकी एक्शन तो मारधाड़ सभी कर रहे हैं, बट बहुत समय बाद मैंने किसी का एक्शन देखा जिसमें यू आर इमोशनली कनेक्टेड टू हिम व्हाइल ही इज डूइंग द एक्शन, और वो सब आंखों में दिखता है इसकी. तो ये टैलेंट मुझे नहीं लगता है कि अभी तक मुझे नहीं लगता. मैंने बिल्कुल बच्चन साहब को देखा है वो करते हैं कि वो आंखों में लाते थे, बट यस मुझे यार आई लव हिम. एंड आप जब देखेंगे आप सीट पकड़ लेंगे, वो करता है यार, ये बहुत खतरनाक करता है यार भाई. एक्शन के मामले में तो यार यू आर सामने वाले एक्टर की भी हेल्प करता है इतनी ही. अगर ये ऐसे नहीं करता सामने वाला भी मतलब फट हो जाता है एकदम.
भूल जाता है.
चलेगा, ठीक है, सब सही. ओके.
राइटर्स को ऑफन उतनी क्रेडिट नहीं दी जाती जितनी होनी चाहिए.
Actually, content is king because the writer is the emperor. And it's as simple as that. The whole soul and the entire structure of a film is born from a writer. If the writer is a director, then of course it's a glorious addition. But just on its own, a writer is everything. We at Dharma Productions empower our writers all the time because we believe we are nothing without them. Literally, they form the structure, the soul, and the narrative of any feature film. So, in the world of content, I would say they're not kings and queens; they're beyond that. They're emperors and empresses and empresses.
Priyanka from Midday. Kill is one of those Dharma films which went to festival first. Before, of course, coming back home. Recently, of course, we had All We Imagine as Light shown at Cannes. And festivals are the biggest platforms for independent cinema. But so many of the independent filmmakers complain that there's little support back home for them. In terms of how that the mainstream industry does not back their vision or those stories because they don't consider it viable. For someone like you who backed Kill, do you feel that there needs to be that kind of support from the mainstream industry producers, especially for independent filmmakers and stories?
And I think this year has proven that there is no such thing as parallel, independent, mainstream. Good films. You saw how wonderfully received Lapata Ladies was. It did a certain number theatrically, but then it went on to woo, the streaming audiences with the way it performed. Similarly, we had success way back then. A film like Lunchbox did over 20 crores NBOC at a time where it was unheard of for a film like that to do that number. We have supported Kill, which is a genre film, and we at Dharma really want to kind of work with all kinds of filmmakers and tell all kinds of stories. It just has to make sense when you do the math. You have to know that it has to add up because all of us are also inherently, we're all artists, but we're also bound by the boundaries of commerce. So we have to make sure that you can find the beautiful balance between art and commerce. And when you do that, then all of us are willing to really promote and support all artists and their creative work.
સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરો ગુજરાતી મિડ ડે. બેલ આઇકોન પર ક્લિક કરીને મેળવો તમામ વિડીયોના ડાયરેક્ટ નોટિફિકેશન.